Okay, the executed order patterns, I've talked about it already when I mentioned that the price goes up when sell orders are being more rapidly executed than usual, and the same applies for buy orders. If the buy orders are executed much more rapidly than usual, the price is very likely to go down or is going down. The second pattern, which might be useful, is when the executed order has been placed a while ago, meaning that it has a big age. And the age can be measured by the timestamp when the order has been placed. And here is how it works. If you look at the buy order that has been placed a long time ago and it gets executed, that's pretty much reaching a bottom, because that was a bottom position for the trader that got into the market. And the same applies to the sell order. If you see that the average age of the executed sell orders is very high, is unusually high, it means you are probably reaching the peak, because this is where profit taking positions are being closed. So pretty much the market is going to be running out of steam real soon, according to the beliefs of the traders who placed that sell order to close their position. So this is a very significant pattern, and it's very stable. It has not changed for 5 years. I actually have been looking into this pattern since 2003, to be honest with you, and I've been trading Island ECN back then, before they got acquired by NASDAQ, and it's a very, very stable and very deterministic pattern. And I'll show you how to trade it in NinjaTrader. The next slide deals with created and canceled orders. Now, with advance of the algorithmic trading, created and canceled orders are very highly correlated, because algorithms place an order and then they cancel it immediately if it's not executed. It's kind of price discovery algorithms or market manipulation algorithms. 5 years ago, you could have traded these signals, but right now, with exclusively heavy volume being generated by algorithms, it's not really for you to trade. It's for you to be aware who is trading, who is making the market right now. Because if you see that all of a sudden the volume of created and canceled orders heavily picks up, that means somebody entered the market, and that somebody is a hedge fund or a big algorithmic house, a quant fund, and they're trying to do something. And to me, I personally traded these orders by just not making any trades, because if you see that the market is behaving in an unusual way, you can play with the big boys, or you can be slaughtered by the big boys. So it's your decision, but I don't want to play against anybody. I'm too small to make any difference in the market. However, on a positive side, you can still look into created and canceled volume patterns as a signal of market sentiment. You can actually see if there is much more buy order execution and creation and selling going on than sell order by execution, creation, execution, and cancellations, then pretty much everybody is selling the stock, or pretty much everybody is buying the stock. You have to be analyzing other parameters of the equation, but still, created and cancellation order patterns can give you a hint if there is activity picking up, if there is interest picking up in the stock. So it is kind of valuable. Okay, before we move forward to the next slide, let me quickly check the chat. Okay, so before we switch to the charts, let me talk about how you can get this information into the charts. There is no magic here. Well, there is some magic when it relates to the order flow processing. Unfortunately, the reason why you can't get this information off the shelf everywhere is that the order flow transactions are very hard to process. To process, it's really gigabytes of data per day, and imagine if you had a weak connection, you will be running out of bandwidth immediately. And there are many protocols that you need to deal with, and it's very CPU intensive. So your cost in hardware will skyrocket. Well, we at Trading Physics have decided to make the order flow much more popular than it used to be by providing certain services and doing all the processing for you. We provide packaged indicators and oscillators that have been developed using order flow. And for you to download these indicators and oscillators will be much easier as opposed to download the entire order flow. So you pretty much sign up for the order flow based indicators and oscillators that are numerically calculated for all NASDAQ traded equities. They are calculated at different tick resolutions from 1 second to 1 minute. The historical archives start with 1999. That's when the Island ECN started their original order flow protocol, right now used by NASDAQ, and modifications of that protocol are being used by DirectEdge and BATS. And of course it is available in real time, and you can use API or web interface or NinjaTrader interface to pull these data both in real time and historically. In order for you to facilitate this concept for everybody who attends this demo, there is a free trial. Actually, it's not a trial, it's a free giveaway. If you register on our website, you can reply to the registration email confirmation by putting a NinjaTrader in the subject line, and we will add 100 free downloads for you so that you can download whatever data sets that you are interested in and decide if they work for you or not. So there is no way for you to lose on this.